teacher vlogger, Miss Pai. So today is my special day because it's my 5th year in the US. And the best way to spend my special day is unboxing my favorite perfume. This is the one from Dolce and Gabbana. So check this out, guys. I will explain what's inside this bag in a few minutes. So I tried several perfumes already, and I got here Hypnotic Poison from Dior. It's a little strong, but it smells good too. I also tried one this is from Michael Kors, and this is the Sexy Amber. This is a little warm, but it smells good too. I already finished one bottle, and I already emptied. This is already an empty bottle from Versace Yellow Diamond, and this is a little fruity scent, but they all smell good. But my favorite one is the one. So let's see what's inside this bag, guys. And the scent is so good, and it's really exciting. I'm excited to open this. So this is what I got. This is a gift set from Dolce and Gabbana. So let's see, guys, what's inside this gift set. So the gift set comes with, see, oh sorry, it comes with a lotion. This is 100 ml lotion, guys. See, it's 100 ml lotion. That's how big the lotion. This is 100 ml, and this is the biggest. This is the biggest bottle they got. So the gift set has the biggest bottle, which is 75 ml perfume, and it also comes with a roller. So this costs a total of $126, but if you purchase this item one at a time, the lotion will cost you $20. The biggest perfume will cost you $120, and the roller is around $29. So a total of $169. But if you buy the gift set, it will only cost you $126. So it gives you a savings of $43. So the roller and the lotion will be considered as your gift items already, and it's a big savings for you if you buy the gift set. So isn't this cool, right? So make sure you try this perfume. So this perfume is called the one from Dolce and Gabbana. So I'll give you a short description of what this perfume is. So it is a warm oriental floral with modern sensuality and a contrasting golden sweetness. Oh my gosh, it is tempting, modern, and glamorous, embracing the touch of classicism. So you smell glamorous and classic, guys, with this perfume. So try this out, and I hope you like what I like, and leave your comments down below if you like and if you tried this perfume already. So till next time, guys, bye. Great way to spend my special day. got a gift from, shout out to Bradley. It's my first 5th year in the US.
Okay, now open it.
Gonna open it. What's in here? I got some chocolate.
You want to share with
I got burst and some scented candles.
Look, there's more.
Oh, there's more. And some gum bears. You like it? Thank you, Bradley.
You're welcome.